When life gives you lemons, squeeze the hell out of them. Minsan parang ang saya ng takbo ng buhay. Tapos biglang boom! May problema na naman. Minsan sunod-sunod pa, parang buy one take one na hassle. Nakakainis, nakakapagod at minsan pakiramdam mo parang sinasadya na ng tadhana. But here's the thing. Lemons may be sour, but they also wake you up. They shake you out of your comfort zone, push you to think differently, and force you to grow. So when life hands you a sour situation, here's what you're going to do. Squeeze out the lesson. Kahit gaano pa kapangit ang sitwasyon, for sure may matututunan ka. Add some sugar. You have to learn how to make the most out of it para magpatuloy. Make your own damn recipe. Hindi mo kailangan mag-lemonade kung ayaw mo. Gawin mong sausawan, pampalasa sa ulam. O kung trip mo, shot na lang diretso, wala nang chaser. Life isn't about avoiding the sour moment. It's about making them work for you. So take those lemon, own them, and turn them into something powerful. Ikaw, ano ang pinakamalupit na lemon na na-turn mo into something good? Kwento mo sa comment. That's it for today's video, everyone. Sana may natutunan kayo.